my YouTube channel. In today's video, my brother is going to be doing my makeup for me. I asked my followers on Instagram what they would like to see. I put a couple of options there, like three options, not even like, I put 3 options there, and the most voted for was this, my brother doing my makeup. So he's going to do it, and there'll probably be an update of that video, of this video, because I have 2 brothers. So one will do it now, and the other, I don't know, he's on my neck. He was like, he must do the makeup, but he's not around now, and he's a stubborn one. Okay, so my brother is going to step in now. Oh, if you're new here, you know what to do. Please do what YouTubers tell you to do every time, you know. Subscribe, like, kisses. Let's get to it. Shut the brother here. Shut your face. Yeah, his name is Udoka. Introduce yourself. His name is Udoka. He's shy, but he has watched us. I mean, me and my sister. He has watched the both of us, you know, do makeup over time, and I feel that he'll do something really well now. So here goes nothing. I have my makeup kits here. So guys, switching up now. These are a few things you'll be working with. I have a couple of makeup stuff here. Here's my eyeshadow palette. So a few messy things around here. My brushes, and that's all. So everything needs to be here. And he's just going to play around with it. Anything that he doesn't need, I'll definitely show you. Anything that he needs, I'll definitely show it to him, and that's that. So okay. I don't even see this. Which one are you starting with?
Start with this. That's it. Then go this.
So is that meant to be powder?
Yeah, powder.
Oh, you said it's powder.
You don't pack too much when you do this.
Say you don't pack too much.
Okay. Should I go with lipstick?
Oh, he wants to go in with lipstick.
I don't know. Put it by yourself.
No, you have to put it for me. You have to show them what you're using.
Okay.
Show them.
I'm using long wine matte color.
Matte color.
Okay, is
His lip is lipstick, lip gloss, anyone.
I'll do rubbish.
No, you have to do.
I'll do rubbish. Child, you can't get go. Like a trooper. What's this point about? Point everywhere. This is my first idea. Sorry guys, made a mistake. I wanna clean this. How do I clean this?
Okay.
Which is over here.
How is it, guys? He's not through yet. I can't see myself right now because the camera, there's no front facing camera, there's no mirror right now. I can't see myself clearly, and even if there's a mirror, I wear glasses, so it's going to be far away, and I doubt if I can see anything clearly that way. But so far so good. This is what he's done. He's going to continue.
Okay.
Okay.
Just like okay. I'm actually doing mostly right now. The eye pencil. The eye pencil.
Yeah.
See. Let's see. Eye pencil. Oh, gee. I'll put this. All I put this.
You just put it. Anything you feel. Anything.
Let's edit I feel like. Oh yeah. Cheer. Okay. This is really too serious. Okay.
Okay, lip gloss.
This girl, we're already done this thing. How you put lip gloss again? No lip gloss. More lipstick, sorry guys, more lipstick.
How many lipstick you?
So you have to do more lipstick.
Oh Lord.
More lipstick. Oh, this. Boo. Boo.
You not show them the powder.
Oh yeah. So guys, I'm using Enchanter powder. Enchanter. This is a very special powder. Okay. I'm through her forehead. Through her forehead. The other side. Sorry. Really hard. Really hard, man. Oh, brush. Thank you. Song. Yeah, I'm almost done. Just more powder.
It's okay, no.
Yay! It was really much. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. Okay.
Is that all?
Show your fans.
Okay, guys. I have a feeling this is really trash because
I'm not true. I'm not true.
No. What else, no?
The powder is not enough.
No, it's okay.
It's no. I get this shit well. Okay, yeah, now. That looks good. True faith, man. True faith.
Okay, just. Okay, guys. Right now he claims to be true with the makeup. He puts in so much effort in this look. So I told you before that I can't see. There's no mirror around me, and I'm just facing the camera. There's no attachment to the camera like where I can see myself making the video. I know you understand that. So I'm just going to model this look like it is a bomb makeup artist that did this. So yeah. Okay, now guys, I'm going to check out the mirror with confidence. You deserve cake.
Nigeria Joker makeup.
No, it's not fine. I don't know where you saw me use white powder in this life. Okay, so guys, this is the artist of the day. Voila. So this is the creator of my look, of the makeup look. You can book him, okay, to come do your makeup. You can book him to come do your makeup. Tell them your introduce yourself. Yeah.
My name is Naka. Naka. Just book me and your makeup is 1K. I'll come straight away. If you want a Joker look, I'll buy makeup for it. I'll do it. Voila.
Peace.
Peace.